you say that the Supreme Court and the last 4 Chief Justices have played a particular role in destroying democracy? Can you prove it?
Yes, why not? You see, you will take up, supposing I had said it, I would give you a list of cases, a list of instances in which the Supreme Court did not act as the dike, as it might have, to protect the destruction of democracy that we have seen in the last 6 years.
Give me an example.
False encounters, lynching. These were things that were setting a new norm, that yes, it is all right for people in the name of, say, protecting the cow to kill people. Assume that. Assume that I am true. Will you not then, are you not obliged to give me the opportunity to prove my point? Similarly, habeas corpus, it is the most precious right under Article 21 also. I cannot be deprived of my life and liberty without the due process of law. Now people have been put in jail. The patriots of the first order who have defended India in international fora, like Dr. Farooq Abdullah, have been incarcerated or under house arrest for this long period. And the court has not taken notice of that. The maladministration that occurred, the rocking of administration that occurred in Assam, and the alienation of the people there, I would characterize these as epileptic orders of the Supreme Court in regard to CAA and its implementation in Assam.
So you're saying this is all, so therefore this tweet, according to you, constitutes fair criticism. Let's come to the second one, Mr. Shourie, where Prashant Bhushan says the Chief Justice of India, referring to Justice Bobde, rides a 50 lakh motorcycle belonging to a BJP leader at Raj Bhavan at Nagpur without mask or helmet at a time when he keeps the SC in lockdown mode, denying citizens their fundamental rights to access judiciary. Now it's been proven, and Prashant Bhushan has admitted it, that the Chief Justice was only sitting on the bike. He wasn't riding on it. It was, it wasn't as if it was a gift given to him by a BJP leader. And therefore they feel, according to the court, that this is the kind of comment that again scandalizes the judiciary in some way and scandalizes the Chief Justice's office.
Rajdeep, I do not agree with the honorable judges in this. And I am indebted to the Chief Justice because he settled my brief at a time when there was a very big case against me in Maharashtra. And so I'm indebted to him. And my advice, my counsel would be, please do not sit on motorbikes, whether you are riding them or not, which cost 50 lakhs, if they do. And if they belong, certainly if they belong to the leader of a political party, and even more so of a ruling party, it's not a good idea. What is the signal that you are giving? You can't afford that kind of motorcycle on the salary of a judge.
So it was just a photograph. It was just a photograph. Is that, are we saying that even people have the right to make such comments? Is that what you're saying, that this comes under the right to free speech?
No, not only that, my friend, I am saying more than that, that for a person in high public office or in any public office, there is no distinction between private life and public life. After all, you are sending a signal. I mean, supposing you said that the Chief Justice was actually rushing to the hospital to aid somebody who was in distress and riding the motorcycle, I think that would be a very understandable thing. Now you are saying that actually he was not going anywhere, he was just posing for a photograph. You are compounding the problem.